DesignNbuy. This is Nidhi Agrawal, and I want to tell you about my favorite book. And there's a reason it's my favorite book. This is a step-by-step guide to web implementation. But even if you're not yet ready to talk about web print, this is the book you and your staff want to sit down and read together, because it walks you through how to think about web print. Heck, it helps you understand how to think about the workflow of your business. So think about your staff. They each have their jobs that they do. With this, they can understand what everybody else's job is too, and help you build a stronger, more robust workflow. Now, you don't just sit down and write a book because you think it will be fun. You write a book because you want to help educate the market you serve, the customers you serve, and Nidhi, that's exactly what you did.
Yes.
You took the whole COVID adventure and turned it into a book.
Yes, exactly, Pat. What was happening is that after working with printers for more than a decade, we learned that every printer has the same journey of knowing how to do it, right? Many of them went through the same process, never knowing what should they be expecting next. So we thought maybe this book can work as their handbook and guide them what should they be expecting when they go this journey of automating their business, not just adopting web to print, but automating every aspect of their business, from receiving the orders to doing the pre-press, workflow management, production and delivery. So whatever we have experienced with our customers, me and Abhishek have tried to put them in form of learning experiences and exercises, and we felt that should help not only the printer but every member of their team to simplify their learning curve. And I hope we have been able to do that with the book.
So the thing I love about it is not only do you have these great exercises to do with your team, but you also help everyone understand how to market.
Yes.
If you're going to be a printer, people have to know what you do. And this is fun because it doesn't matter if I'm a wide format printer, a textile printer, it doesn't matter what kind of print I'm selling. This guide is at the right level to help the business owner guide their team. And who doesn't want to be a leader? This is the guide to being a leader in the printing business.
Yes, and I'm glad I got Pat as the publishing.
Oh, we were delighted. I mean, this is we do publish this. This is an MC2 book production. But you know what? Even if I wasn't the publisher, I'd be reading and promoting this book because it's great.
And I'm glad, because many of us, our customers, have called back and they said it has really helped them to channelize their learning curve, and many of them have found it useful to prepare their teams for success. So thanks a lot, and I'm glad. So all of you, just grab a copy of it, and then leave us your feedback on how did you find the book. Right? Thank you.